Sometimes, when there are a lot of tasks, finding the right one can be difficult. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to quickly find the task you need in Planfix. In the search field, enter a word from the task name or description. For example, budget. This will bring up all tasks that contain this word. For a more accurate search, you can add a filter. For example, you could show only active tasks or select the specific counterparty. If you know the assignee or project, you can use filters in the same way to narrow down your search. Planfix also has a sorting function. This helps you organize tasks by the criterion you need. For example, you might select by date of last comment, descending, and the tasks with the most recent comments will appear at the top. The simplest tool for filtering tasks is status. For example, this is how you can view all completed tasks. One strategy is to mark tasks as urgent, so employees can immediately see what to work on first. All urgent tasks are easy to find with the filter. You can also create custom tags in Planfix and filter tasks using those. You can learn more about this in the video linked in the description. Search is also available in the planner. This is particularly useful when you have many lists and tasks. To use it, simply enter the task name. Then, if needed, add filters. As you can see, search and filters help you quickly locate the task you need. This will not only help you and your team save time, but also ensure fewer tasks are lost. And if you find that a task has disappeared from the planner and you don't understand why, watch the detailed explanation in the video linked in the description. Now you know how to quickly find tasks in Planfix, save time, and lose fewer tasks.